All right, guys, just talking very quickly about what I'm bringing for 5 days backpacking. So let's start over here. Breakfast for me is pretty easy. I just have 2 bars, and I can mix them up, have a variety. Make sure that I try to minimize the amount of added sugar. So the Lara bars are great because they actually don't have any added sugar in them. At least the blueberry muffin ones don't. Kind bars have, I think, about 8 grams of added sugar, but I try to reduce the amount of sugar. If it's natural sugar, I'm fine with it. My top right there is my kind of unhealthy section. Just dark chocolate Kit Kat bars, something quick, easy to kind of make a snack that's on the move. And that's what I'm trying for now. I actually had to ditch some Sour Patch Kids, which kind of makes me kind of sad. But it was a little too hefty. I might still bring it, we'll see. These are new. That company did send them to me, but I'm trying those out to kind of spice up or add some protein to the Mountain House meals. And Simply Shreds, and so it's just basically some like pulled pork that's dried, not dehydrated, and it's supposed to be really good when you add it to like more moist type of foods. Water flavor, this is Stir. You can't really see it, S-T-U-R, and just in case we come across some water sources that are pretty gnarly, I'll go ahead and try that out. And then I just have this as a kind of a snack, I guess. It probably should go up there. Just an organic honey waffle. I love those things. They're just great. Those I toss into my REI cart every time I need some additional kind of money for free shipping, and those always go in there. Here is kind of my healthy snacks, where I have this mix that I kind of created. What it is, it's just dried kiwi, salted almonds, salted cashews, and dried apples. And so one of those each day. I think when I calculated it out, each one of these packs should be 500 to 600 calories easily. Moving over to lunches, I have 2 of the peanut butter Jif to go, and then I'll probably split between teriyaki beef jerky and just these smoked sausages. Something else I like to try to minimize is nitrates, added nitrates or nitrites, and so I try to minimize that because the beef jerky for sure up there has it, but I'm going with something new, Duke's, kind of this original recipe, kind of smoked sausage, and so as natural as you can get when you're talking about more processed meat. And then I love these things, chicken to sea, barbecue pink salmon. I'll have one of those just to kind of change it up from just the more kind of processed meat, I guess. As well as one of these, just to make sure I'm still kind of keeping some carbs in there. I'm not trying to go completely carb free on purpose. It's just something where I just try to minimize it if I can. And then for dinners, you guys know I'm already a Mountain House ambassador, and so I love these things, and I take them with me on every trip. But my favorite, hands down, is the beef stroganoff. I usually save that for the last night. And then biscuits and gravy, even though it's kind of billed as a breakfast, it's something that I'll be trying to, I love it as a dinner time. So I'll make sure I bring that as well. Then spaghetti and lasagna. And that's kind of it. The only thing I honestly may end up breaking down and adding is some Sour Patch Kids, just for some additional sugar if I need to kind of boost myself to get up a mountain or a summit of some kind. So the one thing I'm really proud of in this is just that mix. I kind of love that thing, and it works really well for me. All right, guys, I gotta go pack, get all the gear and stuff together. I just finally got the food done, and I want to show you guys what I'm bringing. Thanks for watching. Peace.